Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and I just wanted to say that I appreciate you looking at my video, and what you are looking at is my marketing system that I market my business online with, and it's called the Power Lead System. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to start promoting whatever you have that you are promoting online and get a lot of leads to that product or that business. Now, this is a simple system that you can start with $7 one-time fee, and the beginning part of it is a lead lightning, which would cost you the $7 one-time fee. But if you want to upgrade into the Power Lead System, then you will become a gold member and an affiliate of this platform, and this is where you would start making your more profit than you would as being a gold member than you would being the Lead Lightning member. But in Lead Lightning, you can join with $7 and you can promote it with this very system, which you will have a capture page, and it will have an autoresponder that will spit out your messages for you on your behalf once you join with the $7. And you're going to have two links. One is link A that will promote just Lead Lightning, and the other one is link B, which will promote your business and Lead Lightning. And if you don't have a business opportunity, you can join my business, which I am with O2 Worldwide. And O2 Worldwide is an oxygen drop. But to complete what I was just talking about these links up here, you can promote either or. If you have a business already, put it right here in this space right here and click update. That's all you do. And then start promoting this page. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like right here. And once a person put in their email address, the system will start promoting messages on your behalf to promote Lead Lightning and your business opportunity. So that's the marketing system. At the bottom of this video, you will have 3 tags. 1, where you can join the marketing system. 2 is where you can join O2 Worldwide with me if you would like. And 3 is going to be the traffic generator. Now, when you join Lead Lightning, which is the Power Lead System. When you hear me speak of Lead Lightning, I'm speaking of the Power Lead System. When you join, you need traffic to see your links, traffic to come to your capture page where they can put in their information, where they can start receiving your messages. And with that said, we're going to introduce you to Leased Ad Space. Leased Ad Space is where we get all the traffic by solo ads, by the text ad impressions, by banner ad impressions, and you can join this with $7. You don't even think about O2 right now if you don't want to. Just think about Lead Lightning and Leased Ad Space. That's $14. You can start promoting Lead Lightning inside of Leased Ad Space by solo ads and by impressions for $7 one-time fee. And once you get started, you can see that you can go even further up the ladder if you would like. But for $7, you can get a solo ad every 28 days. And if you want to get a solo ad mail out sooner, you can go to a higher level. And at the bottom of this video, you will see a tag, the marketing system, the business, which is my business, O2 Worldwide, and you will see Leased Ad Space. Now you can join Lead Lightning right now and Leased Ad Space for $14, $7 for Lead Lightning to join up to get your 2 links to promote, either or, and promote your primary business. Mine's O2 Worldwide, and yours, whatever it may be. It could be Tahitian Noni, Ameriplan, or whatever it might be. You can promote it when you promote referral link B. But to get started, it's $7, and then $7 for Leased Ad Space. I've gotten a lot of leads from Leased Ad Space into my business. Now, the leads came into the capture page of Lead Lightning, and they are receiving my messages now through a Lead Lightning. And now at the bottom, you will see the marketing tag where you can click to start with $7 for Lead Lightning. Then you will see O2 Worldwide. Just click on it and go over there and view the product, view the business opportunity, and so on. But Leased Ad Space will be the traffic. You click on that tag and you join up. You can join up for free, but to be effective, to get your links out there, you would have to buy, and they give you 3 days to make a decision. But anyway, go over there and look at it. Click on the tags below, the marketing system, the business, and the traffic generator. All right. My name is Marlon Carter. We'll see you at the top. Have a good day or night. I must say, bye-bye.